I whisper your name when no one's near. The silence answers loud and clear. I trace the sky for signs of you, but stars don't speak, they never do. The chair you loved is empty still, your coffee cup upon the sill. I leave it there like some old prayer, hoping time might turn somewhere. If you could see my heart tonight, you'd feel the ache behind the light. You'd hear the tears I never show, the quiet love you